Hello friends, I am Deep Shadra and now you watching Only for Design. So today I am show you how to convert HTML to WordPress. So this is the very easy way to I show you. So please don't skip this video. If you like this video, so please give me a like, comment and please subscribe my channel. So today I show you this website, this HTML website. Today I convert this HTML website in WordPress. Okay, so this is the website. Please, this is the full website. Now I am just install WordPress. It's not dynamic yet. Okay, it's not dynamic yet. I just install WordPress and set up in WordPress. Okay, so if you don't know how to install WordPress and how to set up WordPress in HTML file, so please go to my previous video, this one and this one. I also give the link in description and I button. So please go to my playlist and please check this one. Okay, so first I'm create dynamic menu section. Okay, so this is the menu. So I go to header. This is the header, and where is my menu? This is the menu. Okay, you can see this is the menu. So I need the menu code. This is the bootstrap navigation. So I need menu code, bootstrap nav worker. So this file is the my WordPress code. I written here all WordPress code which I need in this in this site. Okay, so I will upload this code also. Please download this code and uh, check once. Okay, so I copy here and just I put after the UL. Just put after the, sorry, not UL, before the UL. Okay, and I am copy the UL class and paste here and just comment the UL comment and save and refresh here. You can see add menu. You can see how is this easy, how is easy. You can see how much this is a very you can see this is the very, you can see this is a very easy way to how to dynamic a menu. Just 2 seconds, 2 step. Just copy the UL class. First step the paste the code, then copy the UL class and save. This is the 2 step. So please give me a like. I show you how to convert a how to convert a HTML website to WordPress in very easy way. So this is add menu. Now I need to create a add menu. So go to backend and appearance and then menu, then create header menu. You can give the name anything else. I just give the dummy name header menu. You can give any other else. So just select automatically primary and header menu. This is the primary menu, it's important, and I create the header menu. Okay, header menu name. So two are selected, then save. And if I add here simple page button, page, because I have no added any pages, that's why I have no page showing page here. So I just want to know this menu is dynamic or not. That's why I create a dummy page and save here, refresh here. You can see it's already changed, simple page. So now I need to add pages. Okay, so go to add new The first I add home page, home, and choose here the home template, publish. Second, I add new about page, about, then choose here about. Third, projects, then choose here projects. Fourth, services, add services, then choose here services, then add new, then I think blog here also, yes, blog, and choose here blog page, and the last is about us, a contact page, and last is contact, and this is the contact page. Okay, then publish. Now go to appearance, and you can see here it's automatically add here. So I just remove the simple page because I don't need it, and is the home, about, projects, service, blog, content. It's right. Okay, it's all right. Then save and refresh here. So if you see, this is the menu. My menu section is dynamic fully. So if I click about page, you can see this is about us page. Project, if I click projects, you can see this is project page. Services, you see services, but I have one problem. I think I share the banner in all pages. Okay, so I in header, I share the banner in header. That's why it's showing, yes, this is the header. It's only showing the home page, but I'm just share the in header. In every page, header and footer are same. Okay, header and footer are same. So I cut the banner section and put here. Now if we refresh here, you can see about page, just okay, project, okay, service page I think not showing now, not showing. This is a home page showing, no, because I didn't have a service page. This is the blog page and this content page. Contact is spelling is CON, contact, CONCACT here. I just change the name. Sorry, I go to page, contact, okay, update, and it's already updated here. Okay, so now I am next is the banner. So I create a banner section. Okay, create a banner section dynamic. So there is a 2 banners, so I need 1 banner, just 1. Okay, so I just, this is the first one and this is the last one, so I delete the last one. This is the last one, so I delete this last one. Now I have 1 banner. Okay, so I just create function for banner. So go to function.php. It's already created, I think. You can see slider function, slider. So I copy it and paste here. So first I need the dynamic code. So who is the dynamic code? This is the dynamic code here. You can see this is a dynamic code. I put here, paste here, and I remove this code because I don't need it. And end while, I copy the end while and paste here the bottom. Okay, and change the function name, post name here. So my post name is slider, and change it. Okay, done. And I need to change the image link. This is a dynamic image link, so I copy and paste here, then content box. So I need this one full in content. So you can, I think, I know, I think you should don't know that if I paste this HTML in the back, in the content box of WordPress, so it's showing like this. Okay, because backend content box is support the HTML code or source code. Okay, so just put here the content, echo content over here, and copy, cut this also and save. Now go to slider, add new, and just name the first slider, just name first slider, and text, it's not visual, and just text and paste here. You can see this is a just HTML, and paste here, it's supported here, support here. Okay, so I go to upload the slider. So where is my file? Desktop. That's it. Images. Slider. The first slider. Save. Publish. Now, if I refresh here, you can see my slider is not showing, so I need to add one more. Okay, so this is second slider, and just copy all, paste, and upload the second banner. I know my English is not good, but I will try. I'll try my level best. So please support me and subscribe my channel. I show you everything. If you have any problem, please comment me. I will reply you. Always reply you. So please subscribe my channel. So you can see this is my banner is dynamic here. So this is the very easy way. You can change anything. So I need to change first. If I am put here 111, just showing you this is a dynamic. That's why I just test. Refresh here. See 1111. Okay, this is the second banner. First banner showing 1111. So if I remove here, publish, you can see 11 is removed. So if you think my root URL is Sun Smart is okay, but home page always should be root URL. It's not showing home. Okay, so I go to settings, then reading, then a static page, select below, then home page is home. Okay, this is the home page. Save. If I refresh here, click home, so now you can see this is the uh, just localhost, then Sunsolar. This is the root. Then if I add about us, click about us, then you can see SunSmart, then about. Okay, so next section is, what is the next section? Next section is my about section. This is the very easy way. This is about section, but I don't use here the post code. I show you a page, like a page, how you add a page or how you create a post as a page. Okay, this is the post. If you see, this slider is post type, and I use here about section is page type. If I change there, it's change also here. Okay, two are same. So what I do, so I need the page code. I need page code. So where I you can see this is the who we are section, this section. So I need a page code. So I have already page code. You can see where this one. This is the page dynamic code. So I copy here and put the home page in here, this section. Okay, and here also 3 images, but I didn't here 3 images. Okay, but I don't add 3 images. I add only 1 image. That's why I didn't create a dynamic this section. It's possible. It's don't think it is not possible. It's 3 images. How I add you? It's possible. I already created a video in this topic. How you add how you add more images in post type or page type. Okay. So please go to this video. Please, sorry. Please go to this video. uh, create a extra field in WordPress in Hindi. Okay, so I link this video in description. I give you link this video in description and I button also. So please watch this video. So I have no time, I have no extra time, that's why I didn't show you, because I already show you how it create the extra field. So please, that's why I created one picture only, okay, in this video and this text. So go to so first what I do, this is the end is here and just raw, I think here. Okay, save. Then my who we are title is same and just then where is my title? I didn't use their title, because if I use their title who here, so this title menu title about is changed. So I just copy expect here, sorry, here, and I need this one all in content. Okay, So I don't do it like this, and just copy paste content and comment this one. Okay, then change the content. Okay, so and then need to change the one image. So the first image, the big image, that's why I changed the create a dynamic big image. So if I refresh here, you can see it's removed. So it's removed. Okay, so now go to pages. I need to change the page ID. Where is needed? You can see this is page ID. So I need the about page ID. So I go to about pages, hover. You can see here is overlap. See here, when I hover in about page, it's showing here it's post ID 9. So I just change there 9. Okay, and refresh. You can see it's two images now showing, because it's not a dynamic, and it's not dynamic, just dynamic my content. Okay, so I go to about page, need to create a dynamic, need to add content. So go to about page content are same, that's why I copy from about page. So this is the content, copy. I'm just expert this one. You can see this is H2 expect code. This is this field. Okay, and second one is this one, copy. Okay, and I need add one more field. Okay, this one, enter. So copy, paste, and I need add one image. So you can see featured image, add one image, about first image. Okay, save, update, and and refresh here. So you can see how I create a dynamic this page, and I need to create a button here. When I click here, it's go to appear the about page. Okay, so I need a button. So need a button. So this is a button in home page. So this is button in home page, slider in slider. So I copy button from slider, just copy and paste, and here no more, save, and just was is okay or not, design is okay or not. Just you can see design is not good, so remove. And you can see I think here one button. So video box, just change the link and change the name, no more, refresh. You can see no more a button, but I need to remove this one, video play button. Okay, so this is the play button, save and refresh. So you can see play button is removed. If I click here, so it's open this one. So I don't need one. So I need what I need to go to about page. So this is, I need the permalink code. So here is the permalink code, this one, the permalink code, copy and paste here, paste and save and hard refresh, control F5. Okay, then if I click here, it's showing this one. Okay, sorry, I think we need to change this class also, change the class also. Now I refresh, now I click, so now I click, so you go to about page. But now in about page is not dynamic. What I do, just do about page and create the, give the link one code here, this one in about page, see, and in the bottom also. Okay, and end code in the bottom, this is the end code, save. Now that this is the extract, and just paste all like this way, where I, this is same, this is content content and content, and this is the, I just comment. Okay, then save. Now about page, you can see. Okay, if I sorry, if I change here anything, sorry, go to about page, about page, about, okay, I think I just changed this one, 111 update, it's showing also about page, also home page. Okay, you can see 111 and home page. I go to home page, then 111. Okay, so my about section is all dynamic done, and already I need in about page one image, so I go to give the image link, image dynamic link, this one, so copy and paste here. Okay, I show you, is very easy way, is very easy way. If you don't know any code, you don't have any code knowledge, any coding knowledge, in you don't know HTML, you don't know CSS, whatever, you don't know anything, it doesn't matter. I show you very easy way how to convert HTML to WordPress. So please subscribe my channel, please, and give me a like. So next is home page and to dynamic complete about page. Next page is services. So I have 4 services, you can see I have 4 services. So I need, what I need one service now, because I create a dynamic. Okay, so I need one services, where services, home, in home section, this is service code, so I need one service. So just this is a one service, you can see, and I remove this all services. Okay, remove all services, and I need to create a function for service. Okay, need to create a function for service. So how I create, just copy this slider function code, copy and paste, just paste, nothing to change, just change what I change, the slider to function, slider to service, select all, select and service, is SERVICE, service. Okay, just service and copy this one and what is my function code, sorry, post type code, this one, and paste here. I don't need this one, remove. Is my end code, this is the end code. Okay, done. And just change this post type name, this is a post type name, done. So it's done. Just I change the image title and give me a permalink. Okay, so this is the title here. So image dynamic code is here, copy, and here is a permalink. So where is my permalink? Sorry, this is my permalink code. Okay, copy, and this is permalink. Okay, same. And I need to update the permalink, it's important. So go to settings and permalink, click permalink, and its post name is select the post name. Okay, then save. Okay, so now if I refresh here, you can see my service is removed now. So I need to add service, so go to service, add new one. So what is my service? So I just open the online link, this website, in the website, this website. Okay, then go to online link. Sorry, this is the online link. So I need copy here to service. Then this is the solar power first one. So add, I need dummy text, copy, and just copy the paragraph, copy and paste here, and add the image, who is this one, add first image. I add one, go to add first image, service image, services, this one, so publish. Okay, then refresh. So now you can see this is solar power. If I click here, it's nothing showing. Go to single service, because I have the single service page. You can see I have the single service page. You can see this is the single service. Okay, single service, that's why it's showing. So I'm just change the name here and images title. Okay, so single service, change the title first, copy the title, copy title, copy here, also here service link, RBIC services, and here the title, paste the title. Okay, sorry, title, save. And the bottom, this is service we offer. I change this one also, but I don't change now. Okay, I don't change now. I'm just remove. Okay, sorry, okay, save. Please refresh here. Just I check the content, this one and this one. this is 2 images, but I have 1 image. Okay, so 2 image, I have 1 image only. Where is the image section? Using natural. What is this section? Sorry. Okay, this is the sidebar section. Okay, so I remove this one. I don't need this one. This is, you can see, this is the page, this is the title, and here the content. Since the content and there are 2 images, I comment 1 image and go to put the online link, dynamic image link, this one to this one. Okay, and it's change the 12 column, and you can see I remove all, I don't need, so I remove this one also, this one remove. Okay, just save. I just check what it does. Sorry, I didn't. Okay, I also okay, done. So I need to add here code. Which code? This is the while code, this one. Okay, here, and add the end code in footer, before the footer. Okay, sorry. Okay, save, and now refresh. You can see this is our solar, but I need to change the okay, it's nothing. I need to change this name also. Okay, so I change the my service name. So first name is this one. Sorry, so change the service name. This second, this one, second, third one, this, paste, and fourth, this is the fourth one. Okay, copy and paste here, and I just create a link. Okay, just I refresh here. You can see, but it's so what I do, I just give a line height. Okay, you can see it's overlap in this service. Okay, so font size, width, display, li, height, give the height, line height, reduce the line height, increase the height and reduce the line height. Okay, and height also, increase the height or reduce the height also. Because this name is very big, that's why it's showing problem. So I copy this one, page number is 189. Go to services, styles 189. Okay, and just select and paste, save. Now it's done. I need to add important important, and this one. Save and refresh. Okay, done. So my service page is done. So how you add the link? This is the very easy way. So I need the site URL. This is site URL code because this is a root code. Okay, first I put root code here, then slash, then my service. Sorry, this is the code. Copy, paste. Okay, this is the, how is this? I link. So copy here, I click here, so go to this page. So I add sorry at second page, solar system repair. Copy this page, paste and copy the content, paste and add the image. Second image, this is second image, add, publish. Okay, and just copy this name and paste here, and copy the site URL and service and paste v4. Okay, so now you can see, if I refresh here, home page, go to home page, you can see it's automatically add a service here, automatically add a service here, and click here. See, this is the solar system repair. Okay, so add mode to, where is my second solar, its name is very big, that's why it's showing problem. So it doesn't matter if you think the it's very big font size, so you can reduce the font size. Okay, it doesn't matter. So this one, third one, copy and just change the link. Okay, and this one, and copy the URL and paste, and also copy it here, and this is the last, solar battery solution. Okay, save, add new, paste, copy the dummy text, paste, add the image. Sorry, publish. So go to home page. Now you can see my service section is done. Okay, you can see my service section is done. So if I click here, go to battery solution, solar battery solution, you can see image is here, title, okay, everything. Then if I click here, you can go, it's go my this page. Okay, so my service is done, because but I need the service page. I need the service page. Click here, it's not showing my services, so I need a page where I click and showing this service. No, it's showing this service, you can see, but how is create this? So I just create a archive page. Okay, archive. So I need a archive page, so go to, I copy the one archive page for another site, copy the archive page, archive, I need archive, where I need, where I get the archive, archive, where I take this one, this is the archive. Okay, copy and paste smart paste here, and just change the just name archive, then hyphen, then service. Okay, just change the name. Now where is my, this is the archive page. What I do, just copy the service page code here, +2 button, copy and go to archive service, just paste here. Okay, just paste. Sorry, comment, I remove this comment code also here. Okay, so just change the code, HTML code, service code to HTML code. Okay, and what I do, go to home page and copy this service page section, copy and change here, change, sorry, where is this one, this, copy and paste. Okay, save, and it's not service, it's service, just service. You can see this is the service page. Okay, and I don't need this one here, so I delete it. If you want to, it's your choice if you need it, so that's why. So okay, and just I change the link here, the service. Okay, just copy the link and change here /service. Okay, save, refresh, go to service page, but I need to drop down here. Okay, and need to change the position, service and project. So go to menu and just first change project and service, just change the position. First I need service, then projects. You can see it changed and need a drop down in service page. So you can see here service and select all, add menu. So you can see it's already added. The first one, it's just drag and drop. It's very easy way. It's obviously very easy way. Such a very easy. Then save. Then refresh. You can see my drop down is done. So my drop down is done. If I click here, it's go to the service page. Okay, so go to home page. So in this video I show you menu section dynamic, banner section dynamic, about page section dynamic, and service section dynamic. So this is, my video is going to very large, so that's why I end this video here, and next video I show you how to create the project section, and then I think testimonial, where is my text, this is the testimonial section, this is the blog section. I show you next video how to create this. In next video I show you how to create dynamic this section. Okay, So please give me a like, comment, and please subscribe my channel. So I show you very easy way, very easy way. So goodbye. So please subscribe my channel and let's see in the next video.